Vinay, I have something for you. It may be like a rapid fire round. I don't know what should we call it as. So Vinay, first one. It's about the meetings, which are like tons now, and we all are tired. Screen time has increased, and just you recently told that you also want people to detox also about the screen time. So now, when a meeting happens, there are four things which happens the most with me actually when I observe. One is people come late. Another is they come unprepared and don't participate. Third is meetings are not having a right agenda or they don't have agenda at all. Number four, meeting ends without any closure. So if I ask you to order them in the priority of your frustrations, which one you hate the most? I repeat for you again. One is coming late. Another is coming unprepared and not participating. Number three is without agenda meetings or digressing from the agenda. And the last is meeting without closures.
So unprepared and no action points are derailers. I myself am late many times, so I will not, and I have reasons and which I can always justify. One meeting to another, transition time in between, you need your personal time, all of that, and meeting without agenda. So anyway, I don't attend those meetings. So
Okay.
I don't have any frustrations. If I don't see an agenda, I ask 24 hours before. I don't get a reasonable response, I decline it. I
Makes sense.
don't have to give any explanation to anybody. My time, I have to value myself.
Makes sense, Vinay. Vinay, what is your favorite business metrics?
Uh, can you do quicker?
Can you do okay, yes. Okay. What in the during the time of pandemic, what has been the most proud moment of yours?
See, we could go global with the same skills and the same people, and we were more respected now.
Yeah.
It was like today, I was struggling to sell within my India business. Today, we are invited across.
Wow, amazing. And now the next question, it can be used across. I mean, when I will be reading the question, it may be the people, the couples who are away, distant, they can also use your tip. So my next question is how to connect online. One tip where you can connect with the people, you apply that and you think it will work.
See, first is that we do meetings for business, but it's not important to start the meeting with business.
Hmm.
Understand what's happening today. Now, a lot of members I meet 5 times a day, sometimes three back-to-back meetings. But we always start, how is it today? Again, we met. Oh, shall we start it again? So, something to make it light,
Hmm.
something where the human connect is there. Business will happen.
Makes sense. These are four fillers from my side because I really want to know the other side of Vinay about this. Over to you, Alok.
There is a lot of humor always required when you are connected, but don't use humor all the time also.
Oh, yes.
We don't know. Like the second phase was terrible. You have to be extra sensitive about what's happening. Sometimes we didn't know there is some struggle.
Absolutely.
Not immediate family, because immediate family we will get to know about it. But
Yeah.
something is happening in the neighborhood, something in the distant relative, some you lost somebody. I think these were terrible times.
Absolutely.
I have not seen this in my 30 years of career, that how you have to connect with people
Yeah,
and sensitivities around it.
sure.